Hey there, movie buffs. If you're tired of buffering issues or want to watch your favorite films on the go without an internet connection, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple guide on how to download movies from Prime Video. Whether you're on a long flight or just relaxing at home, this will help you build your offline library in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Prime Video app installed on your device. It's available for free on smartphones, tablets, and even some smart TVs. If you don't have it yet, head to your App Store and download it quickly. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you're not a Prime member, you'll need to subscribe, but don't worry, there are plenty of options for new users. Now, let's get to the fun part. Use the search bar at the top to find the movie you want to download. Type in the title, hit search, and select your movie from the results. Look for the download icon. It's usually a downward arrow next to the play button. Tap on it, and you'll see options for video quality, like standard or high definition. Choose what works best for your device's storage and data preferences. Once you select, the download will start automatically. Keep an eye on the progress bar so you know when it's ready. After it's downloaded, you can find your movies in the Downloads section of the app. Just tap on it, select your movie, and hit play to enjoy it offline. One quick tip. Downloads expire after a certain period, so check the app settings to manage them. Also, remember that not all movies are available for download due to licensing, so if you don't see the option, that's why. There you have it. Downloading movies from Prime Video is straightforward and hassle-free. This feature is perfect for travelers or anyone with spotty internet. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see. Happy watching!